Hi everyone, Halloween season is upon us, so I thought it would be fun today to show you how to make a nice Halloween punch. We're probably going to be spending Halloween at home, small groups, so this punch is really fun, and it's basically based on the tradition of apple bobbing, which is the thing that normally kids do, where you basically submerge your face into a barrel of apples and you try and grab one with your mouth. I can't see us doing much of that this year because of COVID, but at least we can have a punch that kind of resembles apple bobbing. So basically when making a punch, what I do is I'll make a cocktail. I'll make sure it's the way that I like it, and then I'm going to times the ingredients by the number of portions that I want in the punch bowl. So this is going to be a 10 serving punch. So I made my cocktail earlier and I times all the ingredients by 10 and put them into this jar so it's ready to go. I did 15 ounces of Jack Daniel's apple whiskey. I did 10 ounces of my lemon ginger, 5 ounces of select Aperitivo. This is a wonderful Aperitivo along the same lines as Campari and Aperol, but a little richer and a little bit more bitter. It's from the Montenegro portfolio and it's delightful. Then I also added some liquid Alcomist apple spice. 5 ounces of apple spice from Liquid Alcomist, 5 ounces of lemon juice, and 5 cans of Q Hibiscus Ginger Beer. This is new from Q Mixers. It's wonderful, very fall-like flavors. Hibiscus Ginger Beer. So all of that is in this jug right here, ready to go. For the punch bowl, as you can see, I've got a nice little barrel that looks like an apple barrel. Inside it, there is a glass bowl, and inside that bowl, I have large ice cubes. You can get what we call punch bowl ice, which is like a solid block, but this bowl kind of goes like this, so I'm using these big cubes. The idea behind that is people are dipping into the punch for over a period of time, and you don't want the ice to dilute too much into the punch. You want it to stay pretty solid. So I'm going to go ahead and put my punch mixture in. So, and then for some really pretty garnishes, I managed to get some crab apples. These are little teeny tiny apples. You can get just lit baby apples as well, but if you can find the crab apples, they're super nice. You don't want to eat these apples. They're kind of bitter, a little on the sour side, but they're great as a garnish. So we're going to pop those in. A little apple wobbly. So you get the idea of apple bobbing in your punch. And then just for a little floral element, I've got some nice orange carnations. So I'm going to put into the middle right there. It's a nice little garnish. And now comes the fun part. It's not really a Halloween cocktail, a Halloween punch bowl, unless it's kind of bubbling and smoking. So we're going to be using dry ice today, hence my gloves. The one rule about dry ice is when you're handling it, you want to be wearing gloves and you want to be using tongs. So here we go with my tongs. And then as you can see here, I've got a bowl of chipped dry ice, and I'm just going to drop some chips into the punch bowl and watch it bubble and smoke. Lovely Halloweeny effect. The bigger the chunk, the more the bubbles you're going to get. Ha ha ha. So there we have an apple bobbing Halloween punch. And just to show you how I'm going to serve this, I have a little punch cup right here with some pebble ice in it. I'm going to go ahead and pour some punch into it. Make sure I get a nice apple. There we go. And then just for fun and because it's super yummy, I'm going to add a Dirty Sue cherry. Because why not? It's Halloween. There we go. And if you want to be extra fun, you can actually put a small chip of dry ice into your drink. And it'll bubble as you serve it. Hubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Happy Halloween, everyone!